Welcome to CBSplit screencasts. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the Order Forms module to rotate affiliate links or product checkout pages effortlessly. Step 1. Create a new order form. First things first, go to the top menu and click on Content. Now, find Order Forms. Hit that plus button on the top right. You're about to create a new form, name it something like, by collagen supplement. Exciting, right? Step 2. Add your product URLs. In the URL field, paste what you've got. A direct checkout link. An affiliate link. Or a landing page for your product. Have more than one? Perfect, CBSplit will rotate between them automatically. This means you can test multiple vendors or offers with zero extra effort. Step 3. Embed the pay link in your page. CBSplit gives you a short code, something like paylink form equals to. Now, place that inside your Buy Now button. When your visitor clicks the button, boom, they're taken to one of your rotating checkout pages. Seamless. Step 4. Preview your product page. Ready to see it in action? Go to the left menu and click Live Page. Preview your product page. Click that Buy Now button. Test the redirection. It just works. Step 5. Check the order form report. Let's head back to the Order Forms section. Time to see how your links are performing. You'll get total visits, initial sales, conversion rate, and revenue from first-time orders. Now that's data you can use. Want to optimize your funnel? These numbers will show you what's working and what's not. Thanks for watching. And remember, use CBSplit to make every click count.